I'm desperate, literally.
Judith Farkas de Zelaya called us as the clock was winding down. Her mother passed away in February. Judith was working to sell Mom's home. She hired a real estate agent, got the home under contract, and then she says she got an email from a company called MV Realty.
They contacted me and said, hey, we noticed you're selling your house and this contract is in place.
This contract, which MV Realty calls a homeowner benefit agreement. Judith's mom, Mildred, signed it back in 2022.
They would pay her a little over $2,000, and then if and when she decided to sell the house, they would have the privilege of selling it for her. She never sold the house, so I thought that was the end of the matter.
But it wasn't the end. That agreement goes on to say it's valid for 40 years and not tied to the person who signed it, but rather to the property. And it promises MV Realty a 3% share of the commission on a sale, even if another broker sells the home. In Judith's case, that's a lot.
They are proposing to take about a $30,000 commission out of the proceeds from the sale of the house.
Judith is one of about 900 people Steve on Your Side found in Colorado who are currently in limbo. Limbo because while the state legislature banned this kind of contract a few years ago, and state regulators this fall revoked MV Realty's license to sell real estate in Colorado, these 900 people all signed contracts before the change in state law, meaning that even though MV Realty can't legally sell homes in this state, they still technically can claim that commission.
I feel like I'm being robbed, just absolutely robbed.
I've never seen a contract purporting to lock somebody into a brokerage listing for 40 years. That's a first for me.
Mark Cohen is a real estate attorney and an expert on contracts.
That contract is essentially unenforceable because MVR doesn't have the legal ability to fulfill its end of the bargain.
The problem, he says, in order to prove that, you'll need a court to declare it.
So the question the homeowner has to ask themselves is, what's cheaper? Do I want to spend money to file an arbitration to get this declared to be void? Is it cheaper just to pay MVR and get on with my life?
There is another way some people have seen their contracts torn up. Attorneys general in several states have sued MV Realty. Most recently, the state of California got a judge to issue a preliminary injunction, helping more than 1,000 Californians escape their MV Realty contracts. Here in Colorado, that doesn't seem to be happening because each time we've asked the Attorney General's office about MV Realty over the last year, we get the same one-sentence response that the office can't confirm or discuss investigations. Judith, she found another way out.
She had been experiencing memory issues for years prior to signing that.
Her mom, Mildred, had Alzheimer's disease back in 2022 when she signed that contract. When Judith mentioned that to MV Realty's legal team, then poof, the contract was gone days before she was due to close.
I would like the Attorney General of the state of Colorado to shut MV Realty down now. We shouldn't have to suffer these predatory business practices that are well documented and well known.
So MV Realty did not respond to our multiple attempts to contact them for this part of the story. Another selling agent tells us that they're dealing with the same problem, a similar MV Realty contract, but they were able to negotiate with the company to take less money out of that deal. They're hoping to close tomorrow. As always, if you're under one of these contracts or having some similar problems, email us, steveonyourside@9news.com.